Hey guys, it's Kelsey here to talk about filter replacement for our LEVOIT Core 300 Air Purifier, which is this model here. This is the original filter that came with the unit, and we're going to replace it with the exact same filter. It's a LEVOIT original filter. With this air purifier here, you can get 4 different kinds of purifiers here, depending on if you want a pet one for smoke, one for toxins, or the original one. So this one here that we're talking about is the original one. These are the exact same filters. What I love about this is that it's a 3-in-1 filter. The outer part here is a nylon pre-filter. So that will help obstruct particles like lint, fibers, and pet fur, which you can see all over the old one here. And then the next layer that you've got is an efficient filter, which helps trap the pet dander, dust mites, airborne bacteria, and other fine particles. And lastly, on the inside, our third layer is an activated carbon layer, which helps with smoke smells, cooking odors, and pet odors. I really love this. As you can see, it works really well because here's the old one. So we're just going to pop the new one in, and I'll show you how easy that is to do. I've just flipped the unit on its side and grab our filter here. It's got a nice handle on the bottom that you can hang onto. That's just going to slip right in, and then you'll just take the bottom, and that's going to twist on there. And then it's gonna lock here. So this is all locked in place, and then we can just set it upright and start using it again. I definitely recommend these filters. Again, this is the original kind, and it's performed great because here's our old one.